Hey guys, we're going to be opening up 5 packs of Astral Radiance. We are going to be looking for the Altar Dialga and Palkia, and hope we get some Radiant cards. So let's get into this. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Uxie, Sealing Overquill, Kanamo, Scyther, Sealing Basculin, Sealing Voltorb, Glameow, Swinub, Sealing Sneasel, and Horizon V Full Art! Look at that! Our first full art of Astral Radiance. And the first pack. That's a nice card right there. Let's hope we can get some other hits in the other packs. Card. Water Energy, Dartrix, Tracking Shoes, Ursuling, Sealing Basculin, Glameow, Poochyena, Swinub, Hisuian Quillfish, Radiant Hawlucha! Nice. And Regidrago. Look at that card. Leave that. On to our third pack. Can we still get the alt art? Code card. 2, 3, 4. V-Star, Drifblim, Dark Patch, Pilswine, Mischievous, Barboach, Eevee, Heracross, and Regidrago. Fourth pack. Card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy, Suisu, Dartrix, Trekking Shoes, Scyther, Sealing Growlithe, Bronzor, Rufflet, Sealing Quillfish, Rowlet, Scyther, and Mightyena. Last and final pack. Can we get an alt art? Card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Noctowl, Undefined Fossil, Dartrix, Psyduck, Togepi, Magnemite, Ralts, Sealing Sneasel, Shadow Rider Saltex VMAX Golden Rare, and behind it is a Shaman. Look at that. Out of 5 packs, we have Verizon V Full Art, Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX, and Radiant Hawlucha. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.